Hi, this is Technical Channel Online. Today I show you how to stop automatic redirecting Microsoft Internet Explorer to Microsoft new Edge version. So let's start. Now I show you how to redirecting Microsoft Internet Explorer to Microsoft Edge. So this is Microsoft Internet Explorer and I try to open it and I click it and it automatic open with Microsoft Edge. So some of people are using Microsoft Internet Explorer. This is old version and Microsoft recommended don't use this Microsoft Internet Explorer. They recommended to use Microsoft Edge version because the Microsoft Edge version is the new and more secure for Microsoft in Windows 10 or Windows version. So when you try to open or browse any other website or site, then it automatically redirecting to Microsoft Edge version. So how to stop this redirecting and how to give up the redirecting from Microsoft Internet Explorer to Microsoft Edge. So you just open, I cross it, you just open Microsoft Edge version and go to the settings, then you go to the default browser and you can see in here let Internet Explorer open site in Microsoft Edge and its setting is always recommended. So I actually turn off this feature and I don't want to recommend it Microsoft Internet Explorer to Microsoft Edge new version. So I just never and yes, I am sure. So it's okay. Now I am trying to open Internet Explorer and that's it. Easy to open Microsoft Internet Explorer and it's now working. Now you can browse anything. GWGLE. Now I'm browsing Google and I'm trying to successfully using this Internet Explorer. So I'm trying to open YouTube and it successfully open YouTube. Let's reback again. So I am going to Microsoft Edge, again settings, then default browser, then let Internet Explorer open site in Microsoft Edge, never to, always recommended, and cross, then open Internet Explorer again and it going to the new of the Microsoft Edge version. So and again I am turn off these settings, max default browser and never, I'm sure, then close and try to open Internet Explorer the old version and it opens successfully and you can now using Microsoft Internet Explorer. You can browse all in here. So by this process you can use without redirecting from Microsoft Internet Explorer to Microsoft Edge new version. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.